Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we are going to go through the most important and the most common job interview questions. So friends, basically there is no right or wrong answer for a particular job interview question, but there is a set of rules you need to follow when answering these questions. If you understand what exactly the interviewer wants from you, you will surely rock that interview. So let's get started. So the first question that interviewer asks is, tell me about yourself. In this question, the interviewer is not looking for your whole life story. Make sure your answer is relevant to the position you are applying for. For this question, you should try to briefly introduce yourself. What's your name? How long have you been working as profession? What do you love about your job? What are your top 2 or 3 achievements that are relevant to the job you are applying for? Now the next common question is, why did you decide to apply for this position? Through this question, the interviewer wants to assess how passionate you are for the job or the company. After all, job performance is directly linked to job satisfaction. Now the next question that interviewer will ask will be, what is your biggest strength? While answering this question, list your skills that match those the employer is seeking. This list can include education or training, soft skills, hard skills, or past work experiences. Narrow down your list to 3 to 5 particularly strong skills. Now the next question that interviewer will ask will be, what do you know about this company or organization? So for this question, however, the more you actually know about the company, the better are the chances of you getting hired. So before going to any interview, just make sure you search enough about the company on Google. Now interviewer's next question will be, why do you want this job or why should we hire you? This question gives you an opportunity to show the interviewer what you know about the job. This is the most important question, so whatever your answer is, don't try to just oversell yourself. For example, directly don't say that I am the best person and I am very perfect in my work. Instead of that, make a general statement and talk about your experiences and achievements. Now the next most important question that interviewer will ask will be, how do you deal with pressure or stressful situations? From this question, the main thing an interviewer wants to listen to is about a time you were stressed because of something you did that was reckless or unethical. While answering to this question, try to highlight the skills you used while dealing with stressful situations. Talk about how pressure motivates you. Mention your goals and outcomes. Try to mention a particular example when you remained calm. Now the next most important question that interviewer will ask will be, what are your salary expectations? This is always a tricky question. Employers will ask this question because every position is budgeted and they want to ensure your expectations. Remember, it's better to discuss a salary range rather than a specific number during the interview. Now the next question from the interviewer will be, what kind of work environment do you like best? The aim of this question is to assess whether you will fit in the company's working environment or not. Before you go for the interview, go through the company's website and social media pages to get a sense of the general vibe and environment over there. While answering to this question, try to keep 4 things in mind. First, determine the type of work environment that the company has. Second, show them you will do well in their desired work environment. Third, talk about what you like, not what you dislike. And fourth, finish your answer with an example if possible. Now simply the next question of the interviewer will be, what can you do for us that other candidates can't? While answering this question, try to emphasize what makes you unique from others. This will take an assessment of your experiences, skills and traits. Summarize concisely. For example, try to say, I have a unique combination of strong technical skills and the ability to build strong customer relationships. Now last but not the least, the interviewer will ask you, what are your goals for the future? So basically this question is designed to find out if you are going to stick around or move on as soon as you find a better opportunity. Try to keep your answer focused on the job and the company. So these were the top 10, or we can say the most commonly asked interview questions. If you will sincerely focus on these top 10 main questions, then you will surely rock your interview. One more thing I would like to add from my side is that whenever you go for an interview, don't panic. Just be cool and calm. And you will easily be able to crack that particular interview. If you find this information helpful, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe and get notified for my upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, kindly feel free to write in the comment section.